Hey folks, we got a couple new bumper cases for your Apple Watch here from Elkson up near Alberta, Canada. We have the Quattro Pro 2.0 series for the smaller series 8 through 6, 7, anything else. They also have a bumper for the Apple Watch Ultra. So let's check them both out. So here's the Quattro 2.0 series for the Apple Watch, and this will fit the 40mm all the way through 45s. And they have different sizes for all these. They also have a whole range of different colors. Everything is compatible with your watch bands, and this will just give your Apple Watch a nice little bit of cushion around the edges, and also with these raised edges you can protect your screen. So we popped our watch in, no problem. Our band's back on. Very nice. So I like these Quattro Pro 2.0 bumpers a lot. I checked out the Spigen Rough Armor a few weeks ago, and compared with that, I like these Elksons a lot more. They're sleeker, they look better designed, and they don't have any of the silly company branding on them, which always irks me. So I'm going to give the bumper case winner to Elkson. You can find a link below in the description down below. They come in at 12 bucks. Just something nice to protect your investment when you know you're going to be out and about in some dangerous conditions perhaps, or if you just want to give your watch a new little splash of color, these bumpers are great for that. So now let's check out the Quatro MAX series that Elkson has for the Apple Watch Ultra. This bumper case comes with a screen protector, a 9H tempered glass screen protector with it, which I have been thinking of getting for the Ultra this whole time. Just something to protect this expensive investment. It's got that same sleek look of the Quattro 2.0 series. There's no silly company branding anywhere, and you get this kind of nice titanium ring now around the face, which is kind of cool. Just a different look. It's nice to switch it up every once in a while. Variety is the spice of life. So protect your investment. Check out the Elkson Quattro series for the Ultra and for your series 8, 7, or 6. Any of them will fit in here. They have different sizes. Thanks for watching, everyone, and if this helped you out, please hit the subscribe button down below. I would love to keep in touch with you. See you soon. Take care.